Hey friends, welcome. Today we're checking out our Altec IS 160K welding machine. According to the owner, the welder is not producing any current. In other words, there's no output voltage. I checked it myself. When I tried to start it and apply current, the welder didn't deliver any output. It wasn't striking an arc. So, it seems there's a disconnection or fault in the control section that's cutting off the output. The machine isn't powering the arc. We'll investigate this issue, and by the end of the video, I'll give a full review of the welder. Here you can see the nameplate of our welding machine right on the unit. Now, let's open up the machine. It has a 2-layer PCB. I've already cleaned it and tidied it up. You can see the photos showing its original, dirty state before cleaning. Alright, let's power the machine on and apply some current. We set it to a medium current level. Alright, let's power the machine on and apply some current. We set it to a medium current level. At the moment of arc strike, the current appears briefly, then immediately drops to 0 and the machine stops delivering output. That's the exact issue we're dealing with. So now, friends, we'll carefully inspect the entire control section, troubleshoot the problem, and try to fix it. At the end of the video, we'll give you a full review of the results. Friends, we found the root cause of the problem. The issue turned out to be a missing feedback signal. I also searched online, but no one clearly showed the exact component that fails. And honestly, relying on ready-made answers doesn't always help. You have to understand the circuit and trace the problem yourself. Now, friends, let's move on to the final review of this welding machine. Alright, friends, the repair is now complete. When we first tested this Altec welding machine, the unit itself was functional, but it was not delivering any output current. After troubleshooting and fixing the issue, the machine is now fully operational. The Altec IS 160K is a compact inverter stick welder designed for reliable everyday welding tasks. It offers stable performance, low voltage tolerance, and essential protection features, making it a practical choice for home users and small workshops. So, let's close the unit up and run one final test. This is the internal layout of the Altec welding machine after the repair. The entire unit was thoroughly cleaned, and the repair was carried out neatly and professionally, with all components properly serviced and brushed clean. What you see at the top is the condition of the board before the repair. Now, let's test the machine. So, friends, let's power the machine on. This unit supports TIG and MA modes. Right now, we'll switch it to MA mode, which is standard stick welding. We'll start by checking the output current at a lower setting. The current is increasing, and it's no longer dropping out. With proper balancing, the machine delivers 150 to 160 amps, which means it is providing the rated output current at the specified voltage. At the output, we're seeing 70 volts and 160 amps. I've slightly reduced the lever settings, so we're not running at the absolute maximum. By operating the welder a bit below its peak, we can extend the machine's lifespan and ensure more reliable performance. Our current is stable, the arc is striking perfectly, and the performance is excellent. Everything is working really well. Even at lower current settings, the arc performs perfectly. This welder will serve its owner reliably for many years. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future welding reviews. See you next time.